Filo Plum Tarts offer a delicious, healthier treat perfect for weight loss. The required ingredients include calorie-controlled cooking spray, 6 sheets of Filo pastry, 1 beaten egg, ground almonds, castor sugar, 4 small plums, and icing sugar for dusting. Begin by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mist 2 baking sheets with cooking spray. Cut each Filo sheet into 8 equal squares. Layer these squares on the baking sheets, misting each with spray. Reserve 1 tablespoon of beaten egg for later. Combine the remaining egg with ground almonds and castor sugar to form a paste. Spread this mixture onto the pastry circles, leaving a border. Add the thinly sliced plums on top. Brush the borders with reserved egg and scrunch the pastry around the filling. Bake the tarts for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and crisp. Serve them warm, dusted with icing sugar.